Are you looking for text-to-speech tools for school, or for business purposes? Then these amazing free web services are going to blow your mind. TTS Maker is a free text-to-speech tool that provides speech synthesis services and supports multiple languages, as well as various voice styles. You can use it to read text and ebooks aloud, or download the audio files for commercial use. It's completely free. The user interface is a bit cluttered and use of the service can challenging for some people. For example, you need to input a verification code in order to start the conversion process. Overall, it is the service with the most value for money I tested for this video. Naturalreader.com is free to use online, but downloading your files is only possible using computer-like voices. It has some cool features, including adding a dyslexia-specific font. The user interface is very simple and easy to use. The Plus and Premium plans allow you to download files, add them to your library, and sync them with the app for your Android or iOS phone. TTSMP3.com is a completely free tool. Just like TTSmaker.com, it has no limitations or premium version. Also, anything you create with this service is free to use commercially. There is one drawback, though. You can't adjust the speed of the pronunciation or anything else through the user interface. The guidelines provided below allow you to make adjustments by editing the text. But if that is not your thing, then you can check these other options in the video.
VoiceMaker is another great free tool. There is a 250 character limitation for a limited number of uses. Although not very practical, the service is usable.